started self-join the last class. So joining a table to itself is called self-join. So what is the requirement here? So the actual table contains manager number, but I want manager name. Okay, so to get the manager name, compare this manager number with what? Employee number. So this manager number is matching with this employee number. Okay, so then select the name. So the name is what? A. Next one, this manager number is matching with this employee number. So who is manager for this C1? Who is one is A. So manager for C is A. 2. So D manager is 2, but I want name. So then take this manager number, compare this manager number with this employee number. So this 2 is matching to this 2. So get the name, that is B. Okay, then. But to perform self-join, actually for join operation, minimum you require 2 tables. But here how many tables are there? Only 1. So to perform self-join, the same table should be declared 2 times with different alias. The same table should be declared 2 times with different alias. So then join is between X and Y. Join is between X and Y means join is between EMP table and EMP table. Okay, then. So today is 31st. Next. Okay, then. Okay. But this query is displaying what? This query. So this query displays all the employees and manager names. Okay. Then this query displays. So, but run this query on this table, MGR from EMP. Okay. Now, so who is the manager for Smith is 7902. Who is 7902 is what? 4. And who is manager for Alan is 7698. Who is 7698 is Blake. So manager for what is Blake? Jones manager King. Martin manager Blake. Blake manager King. Clark manager King. So I want to show like this. So this table contains manager number, but you want manager name. So then what? Now run this query. So this query gives employee name, manager name. So Smith manager is Ford, Allen manager Blake, Ward manager Blake, like this. Okay, then next. But it is showing all. But I don't want to see all. I want to see employees who are reporting to Blake. Okay, the previous query displays all, but I want to display what? Employees reporting to Blake. Then how to see the employees reporting to Blake? That means who are working under the manager Blake. Okay, who are reporting to Blake means whose manager name is Blake. Here in this, Blake is what? Employee na manager. Reporting to Blake means Blake is employee na, Blake is manager. Manager, Blake is manager. Manager name equals to Blake. Then how to write manager name equals to Blake? Where condition? Okay. Sorry, here there is no manager name here. There is only e-name. E-name is there. There is no manager name. Yes or no? There is a name, e-name. So here from X table, what we are getting? From EMPX, what we are getting? See this, from X table, EMPX. Here, first one, I'll leave it. Next one, B1. So 1 is compared with 1. Because your condition is manager number equals to employee number. So B manager is 1. one compared with one, matching. So then this is selected. So B is selected, A is selected. What is B? Employee name. What is A? Manager name. B is employee name. A is what? Manager name. So from EMP X table, we are getting employee name. From EMP Y table, we are getting what? Manager name. So X dot E name means employee name. Y dot E name means manager name. So here, how to give the condition manager name equals to Blake. Then how to give that condition? So where what y dot e name equals to Blake. Y dot e name equals to Blake means manager name equals to Blake. Understood or not? So from this from X table we are getting employee names. From Y we are getting manager names. X dot means employee. Y dot means manager. So manager name equals to Blake. So Y dot e name equals to Blake. So this will not give all the employees list. This gives only the employees who are reporting to Blake. So Alan is reporting to Blake. Watt is reporting to Blake. Martin is reporting to Blake. Turner is reporting to Blake. All these employees are reporting to Blake. Okay. You know, now. No. But so it is showing the names reporting to Blake. If I ask how many employees reporting to Blake, I don't want to see the employee names. I want to see how many are reporting to Blake. Then if I ask how many are reporting to Blake means, then you have to select counts. What is asking selected? You want to see the names, then select X dot ename. Is asking the count, select count star. If it says select count star, then what it will show? It will show how many are reporting to Blake, how many employees working under the manager Blake. Okay, then it depends on selection. Whatever you want, you select it. Okay, then now, but suppose I'll ask something like this. What is that is like display Blake's manager name. I'm asking display Blake's manager name. Then display Blake's manager name means in this query, who is Blake? In this query, Blake is employee. In this query, Blake is manager. In this query, Blake is employee. Employee name equals to Blake. How to write employee name equals to Blake? You have to say X dot. X means employee. Y means manager. From X table, we are getting employees data. From Y table, we are getting managers data. X dot means employee. So this gives Blake's manager name. Then okay. Now let's see this. Suppose here, let's go to this. So x dot ename equals to Blake. First, what is applied? Where conditional join now. Which is done first? Where or join now? Where? First where condition. Next join. So it will apply the where condition. What is the where condition? X dot ename equals to Blake. That means it go to X table. From X table, what is selected? Blake is selected. Let's say this B means Blake. Just assume B means Blake. Then after selecting this, next it will apply what's the join condition. Then after selecting this, okay. Now see, these records are not participated in join operation. Only this record is participated in join operation. Understood? Because before you perform join operation, you applied where condition. Where condition is selected this. Only this record is participated in join, not all the records. So then it takes manager number 1. 1 compared with 1. Matching or not? Yes, matching. Then select the what manager name. That's all. Understood? Only this record is participated in join. Now this gives what? This gives Blake's manager name. Who is the Blake's manager is King. Okay, na? Blake manager is King. Okay then. Next. That's all. This is some like now if I ask this one, like tell me what display employees, okay, earning more than their manager. Who are earning more than their managers. So what we are doing is comparing employee managers. Okay, but employee managers are not belongs to two different tables. Employee manager is belongs to same table. So that's why we are performing self join. Who are earning more than their manager means employee salary must be greater than manager salary. Okay, then so if employee salary is greater than manager salary, then select it. Okay, na? Then so see EMPNO, ename, MGR, salary. See this? See the table? So then anyone is there? Anyone is there? Once again, let's take Scott. Scott, who is the manager for Scott? 75? Okay, no. No one is there. Huh? Salary 3-1 managers. Huh? But is employee, no? Is manager. Employee salary is not greater than manager salary, no? Yes or no? No. Ford, Ford salary is what? 3150. Who is the manager for Ford? 7566. What is 7566? 3570. Manager is earning more than employee. Okay. So let's see whether it is there or not there. But what is the condition? Sir, whether record is there or not there, that is not important for you. You have to write the query. That is important. If satisfying condition, if any record is there satisfying that condition, select it. If no record is there, no record is selected. Okay, na? Then what? How to write this? I want to see who are earning more than their manager, means employee's salary must be greater than manager's salary. How to write it? You have to write like this. Select what's the x dot e name. Okay, na? 1 second. First series x dot e name. Okay, x dot e name. Then x dot e name, y dot e name. Just see this x dot e name, y dot e name. But what is the condition here? Salary. Employee's salary should be greater than what? Manager's salary. Employee's salary should be greater than manager's salary. Let me run this query, but no one is there. No one is there. Employee's salary greater than manager's salary. No record is there. So that's why output is no. Okay now? Understood? Then. So in the output, I want to, okay, like let it be there. So this is the query. Okay, okay then. Oh, that's all these examples. What? All these examples. What's self joins, because you are joining the records of same table. Okay. Then. Now, suppose one question asked like this. What is that is? They given a table, teams table, ID country. Okay, na? They given a table, ID country, ID suppose IND, suppose what? AUS 3 something NZ, like this. Just example. Okay, na? So now they asked output should be like this. They want output. So they are given a table. They asked this output. Write the query to display this output. Okay. What they asked is write the query. Write the query to display following output. What is that output? IND versus AUS, IND versus NZ, AUS versus NZ. Okay, na? So they wanted output like this. But first thing, by seeing the output, immediately should be able to identify. By seeing the output. Okay, na? By seeing this output, immediately you should be able to identify that self join is required. So what this is? What? IND joined with what? AUS. IND joined with what's that? NZ. AUS is joined with what? NZ. That means, so records of same table are not? Yes. By seeing this output, so you should be able to identify self join is required. So for anything, like for any requirement, first step, identify join is required or not. First thing that. Second one, what type of join is required? Third one, what is the join condition? These three. But the first, join is required or not. Second one, what type of join is required? If join is required, what type? Inner joiner, outer joiner, left outer, right outer, full outer, non-equina, self. Then next third one, join condition. So here you identified that self join is required. because IND joined with AUS, IND joined with NZ, AUS is joined with NZ. So joining the records of same table, self-join. Next, identify join condition. Identify join condition. Well, when self-join is required, okay, then just you have to imagine what two tables. Then you'll get the idea. Then you can able to identify the join condition. So then imagine two tables. What is that is teams A. This is what ID country ID1. Next to 3 what NJ. Next one teams what B. Teams B. Next ID what country. What is this is 1. Next one IND. Same now. Both tables contains what same data. 3 NJ. So after imagine, like now identify the join condition. This should be joined with these two records. This should be joined with this record. IND should be joined with what? The next two records. A should be joined with this next record. Okay, na? So tell me what is the join condition? A.id equal. Suppose A.id equal to B.id. Yeah? If it is equal means 1 is equal to 1. Then IND join with what? IND. Next one 1. Next one 1 equal to 2. No. 1 equal to 3. No. Next one 2. 2 equal to 1. No. 2 equal to 2. Yes. Then what? AES is joined with AES. Next one 2 equal to 3. No. Next one 3. 3 equal to 1. No. 3 equal to 2. No. 3 equal to 3. Yes. Then what? NZ is joined with NZ. This is the output you'll get. If it is equal to. If it is equal to, this is the output you'll get. But this is not the required output. You see the required output. This is the required output. What is the condition? A.id what? Not equal to B.id, no? Okay. See, 1. Let's go to this one. 1 equal to 1. But our condition is what? Not equal to. Next one. 1 not equal to 2. Yes. 1 not equal to 2. 1 not equal to 3. Yes. So this 1 is joined with 2 and 3. That means IND joined with what? AUS. IND joined with what's the NJ. Okay. Next. First one is completed. Go to second record. 2. 2 is compared with 1. Then not equal. Yes. So this 2 is joined with AUS is joined with what? IND. 2 equal to 2. But our condition is not equal to. 2 not equal to 3. Yes. Then what is the output? AUS is joined with what? IND. AUS is joined with what? NZ. So next one you go to 3. So 3 compared with 1 not equal to. 3 compared with 2 not equal. Then what? NZ is joined with IND and AUS. Yes. NZ. NZ is joined with IND. NZ is joined with what? AUS. Is this correct? No. This is not the required output. Then so if it is equal to, you'll get this output. If it is not equal to, you'll get this output. But both are not required outputs. Then what? Only 2 operators are there. Only 2, equal and not equal to. That's all. Only 2 operators are there. Then tell me what? A.id. A.id greater than or greater than. A.id greater than what? B.id. Next one. 1 compared with 1. 1 greater than 1? No. 1 greater than 2? No. 1 is not greater than 2. Next one. 1 greater than 3? No. Next one. 2. 2 greater than 1? Yes. So then AESC join with what, sir? IND. 2 greater than 2? No. 2 greater than 3? No. AESC join with what? IND. Next one. 2 is completed. 3. 3 greater than 1? Yes. 3 greater than 2? Yes. NJD join with IND and AUS. 3 greater than 3? No. Then what is this is output? NZ join with IND. NZ join with what, sir? AUS. Is it correct? It is required output? No. What is this is the output they are asking. And then what? A dot ID less than B dot ID. If it is less than, then what? 1 less than 1? No. 1 less than 2? Yes. 1 less than 3? Yes. IND join with what? AUS and NZ. So IND, AUS, IND, NZ. Okay. Then next one. 2. 2. 2 less than 1? No. 2 less than 2? No. 2 less than 3? Yes. Then AUSC join with what? NZ. Next one. 3. 3 less than 1? No. 3 less than 2? No. 3 less than 3? No. Then this is the output if it is less than. This is the required output. This is the required output. Yes. Now what is the join condition? A dot ID less than B dot ID. That's all. So if it is equal, this is the output you'll get. If it is not equal to, this is the output you'll get. Greater than, this is the output you'll get. Less than, this is the output you'll get. That means all are giving the outputs. But which one is giving the required output? Less than. So that means you have to write like this. What is that is? Select. Select. I want output to be like this. That means both countries should be separated by versus VS. Then, so first select the country from A table, select the country from B table, should be separated by VS. Then how to write it? A dot country, A dot country, A dot country. I want output to be like this, boss. I want output to be like this. Both should be separated by versus. And then plus what? Versus plus what? B dot country. From teams A, next one join teams B, next one on A dot ID less than B dot ID. That's all. So this is the actual table. Then Okay, then. So if it is equal to, this is the output. Not equal to, this is the output. Greater than, this is output. Less than, this is the output. But which one is giving the required output is less than. Okay. I want to separate these two countries by verses. That's why I'm concatenating. Country is concatenated with VS. VS is concatenated with what? B dot country. That's it. So what is this is? This is what? Self join. Okay. Then next. What the next one is? Cross join or Cartesian join. Cross join, Cartesian join. Then what is this is? Cross join returns the cross product of two tables. Cross join returns cross product of two tables. Cross product or Cartesian product. Cross product or Cartesian product of two tables. Cross product or Cartesian product of two tables. Okay, then. Now, what is cross product Cartesian product means? A equals to 1, 2, B equals to 3, 4, A cross B. Then A equals to 1, 2, B equals to 3, 4, A cross B. Then, so what is this gives? 1, 3, 1, 4, next 2, 3, 2, 4. This is what cross product gives. The each element of A is combined with each and every element of B. So 1 is joined with what? 3, 4. 2 is joined with what? 3, 4. So 1 joined with 3, 4, 2 joined with 3, 4. So what is this is cross product of two sets. But what is cross join? It is cross product of two tables. If you join cross join, if you do cross join between two tables, each record of first table is joined with each and every record of second table. Okay, then all the records of first table join with all the records of second table. So then if cross join performed between two tables, then all the records of first table joined with all the records of what? Second table. All records of first table joined with all the records of second table. Okay, then. Now, how to perform cross join? Okay, then. So, like, what is this keyword changes? Okay, na? For inner join, what is the keyword we use? Huh? Inner join. Like for inner join, what is the keyword we use? Inner join. Outer join, left join, right join, full join. But what is the keyword we use for cross join? Cross join keyword. And also, then here to perform cross join, to perform cross join. So join condition is not required. Okay, na? So to perform cross join, submit the query without submit the join query without what? Without join condition. So we don't need to give the join condition. So join condition is not required for cross join. Okay, then. So you write like this. What is like example e dot e name d dot d name. Just I'm performing cross join between EMP table and department table. E dot e name d dot d name EMP E, then cross join department D. That's all. But you don't give what? Join condition. If you don't give join condition, sorry, if you give join condition, like for previous examples, you given join conditions on what? E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Okay, na? For previous examples, you given join condition like this. If you give the condition, according to this condition, it will join. It will join the records of two tables based on this condition. If department numbers are equal, then join. Now, if you don't give the join condition, if you don't give the join condition, then what it will do? It will join all the records of EMP with all the records of department table. If you give the condition, according to that condition, it will join. If you don't give the condition, then what it will do? It will join all the records of first table with all the records of second table. EMP table contains how many rows? Some 15 rows. 15 rows are joined with what, sir? 4. And then total how many rows he'll get? 90 now. Huh? So 15 rows joined with, you see this, your example is given, then example is there here, your example is there, then. So EMP table contains 15 rows, department table contains 4 rows. Cross join returns how many rows? 60. 60 rows. First 15 rows are joined with first record. 15 rows are joined with first record of department. 15 rows are joined with second record of department. 15 rows are joined with third record of department. 15 rows are joined with fourth record of department. Total how many rows you'll get? 60 rows. All the records of first table joined with all the records of second table. Total how many rows you'll get? 60 rows. So this gives 60. So let's run this. Then this gives what? See this. Accounting is joined with what? All the 14 employees. All the 14 employees joined with accounting. Yes or no? Accounting is first department. Next one. And all 14 employees joined with what, sir? Research. And all the 14 employees, 15 employees joined with sales. All the 15 employees joined with operations. Total how many rows? 60 rows. 15 rows are there in EMP, 4 records are there in department. Then what this gives? 60 rows. But this is invalid or not? So actually, Smith is working for research department. If Smith is actually working for research, this is wrong. This is wrong or not? Yes. This is wrong. Yes. This is wrong. Yes. If one record is correct, remaining records are what? Wrong. That means in this output, only 25% of data is right. Remaining 75% of data is what? Wrong. Okay, na? So that cross join gives what, sir? Incorrect output, invalid output. But whenever you come across a scenario where you want to join all the records of first with all the records of second, then use cross join. Okay, na? Then that's all. But these cases are what? Rare cases. What that is? Cross join, non-equi joins are what? Rare cases. What is the most common cases are? Inner, outer, sometimes self also. That's all. Okay. That's it. This is what? Cross join. Okay. So with this, like joins is completed. joins is completed. So you learnt what is purpose of join, what are the different types of joins, how to write inner join query, how to write outer joins, how to write self join, non-equi join. Then, so okay. Now, suppose for example, I want to see the department-wise total salary. I want to see the department-wise total salary. Then tell me what you do. I want to see the department-wise total salary. Then huh? I want to see the department-wise total salary. Then first you have to tell what is the operation. First, your answer should be like this. What operation you have to use? Join a group by a, like what? So if you want department-wise total salary, then group by. You have to say group by. Then how? Department number. Next one, sum sal as total sal from EMP. Next one, group by department number. What this gives? This gives department wise total salary. Yes or no? That. But here user, see what he's asking is he doesn't want to see the department codes. He want to see the department names. Users, they don't like to see these codes. They like to see the names. Don't show 10th department number. Show 10th department name, accounting. And what is the 20th department name? Research. 30th department name? Sales. Don't show the department code, show the department name. But from where we can get the department name? Department table. Okay, now department table. So user wants some salary, but in the output, he want to see the department names, not department numbers. Department numbers, department names. And then, so some salary is calculated from which table? EMP table. But department name belongs to which table? Department table. You want data from two tables. Then what? Join these two tables. Some salary is calculated from EMP bars, but user is asking department names. Then department names belongs to which table? Department table. Then what you have to do? Join this. EMPE. Next one. What? Inner join department T. So here, not department number. Just see this. Department name. So department name. And salary belongs to which table? EMP table. Salary column belongs to EMP table. Department name belongs to department table. So when you are joining these two tables, compulsory you have to provide the join condition or not? Yes. Give the join condition. What is the join condition? On. What is that is? E dot a department number equals to D dot department number. Next one, group by what? D dot D name. Grouping is based on what? Department name wise. Understood? Then, so what he will get? He will get what? Department wise total salary, but in the output it will show department names. So let me run this here. Then see that. Accounting is what? 9,000, research 11,000, sales 10,000, like this. So in this example, what we are doing is we are performing join and group by. You learn join separately, you learn group by separately. In this example, we are combining both group by and what? Join. Sir, okay now? Then now, so let's see once again. Group by and what? Join. Group by and join. What I'm asking is, so display department wise total salary, and in the output display department names. Don't display the department number, display the department name. So you have to write query like this. Okay, now. But how it is executed? How this is executed? Then first it will do what, sir? Join. Next it will do what? Group by. First it will do join. Next it will do what? Group by. See this here. These are the tables. Okay. One table is what? Like let's take employee and what? Just take employee department. So I'm taking two tables. So there are two tables. Then, so first from class. What is the from class? Two tables. Let's say this is 10. Just assume. Okay, this is 10. First from means these two tables. Okay. Next one. What is the next one? What is the next one? On means join condition. Join condition is executed. When join condition is executed, the records are what, sir? Join. Tell me this record is joined with what? This record is joined with what, sir? Accounts. Accounting. Accounts are whatever. Accounts. Next one. So you go to second record. So this is joined with what? Research. This is joined with research. Next. What is the third one? Third one. 13. So this is joined to this one. So this is joined with what? Then this is joined. This is joined with sales. Next one, this one, 420. This is joined with what? Research. This is joined with research. Yes or no? Research. Next one, fifth one. This is joined with what? Accounts. 10th department. 10th department means accounts. This is joined with accounts. Like that's all. This is the what? Output. Join output. Next. After joining these two. What is the next one? After joining these two, what the next one is? Group by. So this is the output of join. On this output, what you are applying? Group by. Group by d dot d name. Grouping is based on what, sir? Department name. Grouping is based on department name. Then tell me what? Grouping is based on department name. Then accounts becomes what? Accounts becomes one group. Grouping is based on D name, na? Accounts becomes one group. So tell me what are the records belongs to this group? 1A, 3000. Next one, 5E, 2000. This is one group. Next one, research becomes one group. Then what are the records belongs to this group? 2B, 4000. 2B, 4000. Next one, 4D, 3000. This is one group. Next one, sales becomes one group. What the record belongs to this group? 3C. Okay, 3C, what? 5000. This is one group. Total how many groups are created? 3 groups are created. What the finally? Select. Select is executed. What you are selecting? You are selecting department name and total salary. Now select is executed. Yes or no? Select is selecting what? Department name and total salary. See, go to this group. From this group, what is selected? Department name. What the department name is? Accounts. What is the total salary? 5000. Next, go to this group. What is the second group? Research. From this, what is the total salary? 7000. Sales, only one. What is the total salary? 5000. That's it. Okay. So it go to each group. From each group, it selects department name and total salary. Calculate the total salary. That's all. Understood? That. So this is the query and how this query is executed. In this query, what we are performing two. One is join plus one is group by. First, why you are joining? Why you are joining? Why you are joining? Because you are asking department wise total salary. Okay, na? Total salary is calculated from EMP table, but is asking in the output department names. Department names are not there in EMP table. Department names are there in department table. You want data from two tables. That's why join is required. Why group by is required? Why group by is required? Is not asking employees data in departments data. Is asking summarized data. Is asking department wise total salary. Okay. That's why what is required is grouping is required. Okay. Then. So in SQL, you'll be learning the various operations. Okay, na? You'll be learning what's it? Various operations in SQL. Then, but what is important here? By seeing the requirement, you should be able to identify. For this operation, I have to use group by. For this operation, I have to use join. For this operation, I have to use order by. I have to use so and so function. If you can able to identify, you can able to write query easily. But in the requirement, they don't mention. Use group by, use join, use subquery. They don't mention. You have to understand, you have to identify. Okay, then. Understood. If the data belongs to two tables, then join. So user wants summarized data. You want summarized data, department wise total salary, job wise total salary. Then group by. Okay. Okay. Okay, then that's all. This is how the query is executed. Okay, then next. So you try this. Okay, then. But here also these questions, these queries are based on group by join. Okay, then. For this, I'm taking suppose three tables. One table is what? Sales table, date ID, product ID, customer ID, quantity, amount. Okay, then. So what this table contains? Sales data. So and so date 2022, 10/31st. Just something. Then product ID 100, sold to customer 10, quantity 1, amount is 1000. Just example. So and so date, so and so product, sold to so and so customer. So and so date, so and so product, sold to so and so customer. Next, there is a table, but what is this table contains? Product ID 100. But this product details are there in one table. What is the table? Products table. Product ID, product name, product WhatsApp, price, like that. Something. Product what? Category, like this. 100, product 100, some name, some price 1000, and category, some electronics category. Okay, next. And this table contains customer ID. But these customer details are there in customers table. Customers table. Customer ID, customer name, customer what? Address, customer country, something. ID is what? 10. Something, some name. Okay, something, some name. Address, some HYD, country, IND, like this. So I taken three tables. One table stores sales data. So, but in sales table, which product you sold, product ID is there, but this product details will be there in products table. And the product sold to which customer, that customer ID is there, but customer details are there in what? Customers table. So the data stored in three tables. Okay, then from these three tables, what they're asking is, they're asking display what? Display year wise. Okay, na? Then display what's that? Year wise or okay. Otherwise, display quarter wise. Quarter wise. Display quarter wise the total amount in year 2022. Display quarter wise total amount in year 2022. I want to find out quarter wise total amount in the year 2022. This is one. Next one. Display category wise total amount. Display category wise total amount. Display country wise total amount. Display country wise total amount. Next one. Display what? Display what? Quarter wise total amount, category wise total amount, country wise total amount. Display what? Huh? Display. Suppose what is country wise? Within country, okay, na? Category wise, within category, year wise total amount. Country wise, category wise, year wise total amount. Okay. So you try these four queries. Based on these three tables. So try these four queries. Okay, na? Then. So here, category belongs to which table? Category. Category belongs to which table? Products table. And category wise is asking total amount. Total amount is calculated from which table? Sales table. Because amount belongs to sales table, na? Sum of amount. Total amount means sum of amount. So then category belongs to products table. Amount belongs to sales table. You want data from two tables. Then what? Join these two tables. Based on what, sir? Product ID. Can we join these two tables? Yes. Any common field is there? Yes. What is the common field? Product ID. Next is asking what? Country wise. Country wise total amount. Country belongs to which table? Customers table. Total amount is belongs to which table? Sales table. You have to join these two tables. Can we join these two tables? Yes. Any common field is there? Yes. What is the common field? Customer ID. Common field is there. Next one, country wise. Next, country wise, category wise, year wise. Country belongs to customers, category belongs to products, year belongs to sales table. Year is there in the sales. So you have to join these three tables. So to join three tables, how many conditions required? Two conditions. One is between what? Products and what? Sales. One is between products and sales. Another is between what? Products. No. One is between products and sales. Another is between sales and what? Customers. So two conditions. One between sales and products. Another between sales and customers. Okay. Then. So for this three, join is required. Okay. But for the first one, quarter-wise total amount in the year 2022. Quarter-wise total amount is asking quarter-wise total amount. So which contains quarter? How to get the quarter? Date ID is there. If date ID is there, can't you get the quarter? Yes. Date ID is there. From date ID, you get the quarter. Then here join is required or not required? So total amount is calculated from sales table. Quarter also belongs to what? Sales table. Date ID is there. From date ID, you can get the quarter. So then both belongs to the same table. Join is required or not required? Not required. For the first query, join is not required. For second query, join is required. Join is between products and sales. For third query, join is between customers and sales. For third query, you have to join three tables. One is between sales and products. Another is between sales and customers. Okay, that's all. Understood now? Then. So this is join. Now, join is completed. But the next one is set operators. Set operators. Okay, then. So there are four set operators. One is what? Union. Next one, union all. Next one, intersect. Next one, except. Set operators, union all, intersect, except. So union all, intersect, except. So there are four set operators. Okay, then. So then, sir, you know these operators in mathematics. Okay, you know these operators in mathematics. Yes or no? Suppose in mathematics, set A is there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is there, 1, 2, 5, 6. If I say A union B, then what you will get? A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A union B. If I say A union all B, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 6. A union all B. Next one. A intersect B equals to 1, 2. A except B. Then A except B. Intersect B means common elements. What are the common elements? 1 and 2 is common, no? 1 and 2 is common to A and B. So intersect returns common. Next one, what? Then except B. A except B means elements there in A, not in B. Elements in A, not in B. What are the elements in A, not in B? 3, 4. B except A. B except A. Elements in B, not in A. What is that? Is 5, 6. A except B means elements in A, not in B. B means elements in B, not in A. This is in mathematics. Okay, then. This is what. So this is what set operators. Okay, then. But this is in mathematics. But in SQL Server, what? In SQL Server. Okay, then in mathematics you perform between two sets, but in SQL Server, two tables, but not exactly between two tables. You cannot say EMP union department like this. You cannot say like this. It is performed between two queries. Between two queries, like what? Select what's that? Union, select something. Between two queries. Between two select statements. But between two select statements means, what is select statement returns? Select statement returns what? Huh? Select statement returns what? But this is basic bus select statement. What select statement returns? Select statement returns what? Selects are from EMP. If I say selects are from EMP, what it displays? Select statement displays set of records. You have to say like this, set of rows. What is select statement returns? Set of rows. This query returns set of rows. How many rows? 14, 15 rows. Okay, now? Select statement returns set of rows. That row contains values, field values. Okay, then. So any select statement, that select statement returns set of rows. That means here in SQL Server, okay, in SQL Server, set operations are performed. Set operations are performed between what? Set of rows written by two queries. Set of rows written by two queries. In SQL Server, set operations performed between the records written by two queries. Set of rows written by two queries. That means it is like this. What is select statement 1? Next union of intersect. Next one except select statement 2. Select statement 2. So this is the syntax. Set operations performed between set of rows written by two queries. Okay, then. Okay, then. So we'll see that in the next class. Hmm. Hmm.